Hello all, this is me Navita Narayanan, volunteer of Applied Forensic Research Science. Welcoming you all to today's topic.
Section 109 of IPC Chapter 5 is punishment of abetment if the act abetted is committed in consequence and where no express provision is made for its punishment. Whoever abets any offence shall, if the act abetted is committed in consequence of the abetment, and no express provision is made by this code for the punishment of such abetment, be punished with the punishment provided for the offence. The explanation of this section is an act or offence is said to be committed in consequence of abetment when it is committed in consequence of instigation or in pursuance of the conspiracy or with the aid which constitutes the abetment. The illustrations of this act are: the first illustration is A offers a bribe to B, who is a public servant, as a reward for showing A some favors in exercise of B's official function. B accepts the bribe. A has abetted the offence defined in section 161. Second illustration is A instigates B to give false evidence. B, consequence of the instigation, commits that offence. A is guilty of abetting that offence and is liable to the same punishment as B. Third illustration is that A and B conspire to poison Z. A, in pursuance of the conspiracy, pursues the poison and delivers it to B in order that he may administer it to Z. B, in pursuance of the conspiracy, administers the poison to the Z in Abe's absence and thereby cause Z's death. Here, B is guilty of murder, A is guilty of abetting that the offence by conspiracy and is liable for the punishment for murder. Section 110 of IPC Chapter 5 is punishment of abetment if person abetted does act with different intention from that of the abetter. Whoever abets the commission of an offence shall, if the person abetted does the act with a different intention or knowledge from that of the abetter, be punished with the punishment provided for the offence which would have been committed if the act had been done with the intention or knowledge of the abetter and with no other.
That's all about the topic. Thank you.